you someone who is looking forward for healthy options when it comes to diet? Well, today we would take a step further in demystifying fat as unhealthy options in our diet. Well, we usually get overwhelmed with the idea of fitness, and we do not start anything thinking that fitness is a complicated process. Well, let me tell you that just by taking a few simple steps regularly and consistently, we would be able to achieve good fitness for our body. And in this regard, we would be discussing about one good fat, which is flaxseed, and how it can help bring an immense change in our fitness. Well, flaxseed is something which is available in the market as a seed and the oil as well, and is a rich source of proteins, fibers, omega-3 fatty acids, some vitamins and minerals. And the importance of flaxseed as a good fat nutrient is because of the high protein content, high fiber content, and a very rich source of omega-3, which we would be discussing separately. Let us first take and discuss about omega-3 fatty acids. Well, when it comes to omega-3 fatty acid, flaxseed contains ALA, the alpha-linolenic acid, which has to be taken externally in the food because it is not produced in the body. And it is a very good news for vegetarians because the other forms of omega-3 fatty acids are only available in fish. So this omega-3, which is available in flaxseed, is the vegetarian source of omega-3 fatty acids and is very helpful for vegetarians. The omega-3, which is available in fatty acids, is very beneficial in reducing the cholesterol deposition inside the arteries, and it is very helpful in prevention of the growth of any kind of tumor. And it has been found in various research done across the globe that flaxseed has been very beneficial in increasing the cardiac health of a person. And it also reduces chances of stroke, which has been found in various studies across the globe. Well, flaxseed also has a very rich source of lignans. In fact, lignans which is found in flaxseed is almost 800 times more strong than any other source of lignans. And lignans is something which has chemical properties with strong antioxidant effects, and it has estrogen-like properties which helps in prevention of certain types of cancers like breast cancer and prostate cancer. Now, let us look about the beneficial effects of fibers, which is present in flaxseed. And the fibers which is present in flaxseed is basically two types. One is the soluble fibers and the other insoluble fibers. And the soluble fibers, the way it helps is because it helps in regulation of digestion. It increases the consistency of stools. And on the other hand, the insoluble fiber present in flaxseed binds with water molecules and forms the bulk of the stool. Hence, it is very helpful for people who have a tendency of getting constipated or are suffering from chronic constipation or IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. So, when we also talk about fiber, then fiber in the flaxseed also helps in reduction of blood cholesterol, because what happens is when we consume flaxseed, then the fiber in the flaxseed combines with the bile acids secreted by the gallbladder, and it is excreted out of the body. So in order to replenish the bile acids, what happens is that the cholesterol from the blood is utilized, and which is why the blood cholesterol comes down. So flaxseed, the fiber in the flaxseed has been found to be very helpful in reducing the blood cholesterol. And when we talk about the protein content. Flaxseed has a very high content of protein, which is very helpful for people who are vegetarian, because vegetarian people, they do not eat meat, and they tend to have low consumption of protein in the diet. So flaxseed is helpful for vegetarians in many ways to get the nutrients which are comparatively less available for vegetarian people. Also, flaxseed is very helpful in controlling the appetite, and thus it is found very beneficial in weight control, because when we consume flaxseed, it triggers production of certain hormones which control the appetite in our body. So flaxseed has been found very helpful in weight reduction programs, and if there is someone who wants to lose weight, then flaxseed is something that needs to be thought about. And these are the various benefits which we get from flaxseed, and flaxseed is available in the market, as I already mentioned, in the form of seed, and usually it comes as a brown or a golden color seed. And flaxseed oil is also very popular in the market. And if people find it difficult to source flaxseed from the market, the best option also available out there is to take flaxseed supplements, which makes things pretty easy for anyone who would like to take the benefit of flaxseed. And how much flaxseed should be consumed, and for these things, I would definitely recommend that you should get in touch with your healthcare professional, the nutritionist or the pharmacist or your doctor, to understand how much flaxseed is helpful for you. If you have any questions, please drop us your questions in the comment box below. And until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, because healthy families are happy families. Bye-bye.